everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul to share with you. I picked up a few items from Hobby Lobby, Tuesday Morning, and Walmart. I have a few items that I picked up at Tuesday Morning this week. And I picked this up. This is stainless steel palette knives. And you get 5 different ones in there. I like these because it's got the wooden handle and then it's got the flat top and bottom surface, so you have better control. I'm quite happy with this one. This was $8.99 and everything at my Tuesday Morning is 10% off right now. You know, I have some very sad news. My Tuesday Morning is going out of business. So yeah, they started their liquidation, so everything is 10% off right now. Yeah, such sad news. So I also picked this one up. This is the Bo Bunny Brats. Look at this, how cute are they? I love the frame ones. And there's a couple more down here. And they actually have like little examples here that we can use. And then this one is called Count the Ways. I guess the whole theme. Nice, right? I like it. And then this one was $3.29. I also picked up a couple of stamps. This one is Hip Stamp Hooray. It is called Wreath, the theme. And you get 8 pieces in there. It was $3.29, and this is what you get. You get the frame and then all the add-on flowers. So you don't necessarily have to use this only on the wreath. You can use it elsewhere too, right? I like it. I picked up this one too. This one is by Inka Dinka Do, and this one is called Calligraphy Expressions, and it was $4.39. So you get the joy, love, peace, and hope. I like this. Nice. I love the script. And then I took a quick trip to Hobby Lobby and I picked this up. This is called Handle It by Ranger. It was $3.49. And then this is that little tongue that you use to handle like small pieces when you're embossing. Oh, this is funny. I didn't realize, look, the little hands are like flexible. That is the cutest thing, right? So yeah, I can stop using my tweezer now. So I mainly went to find out there were any more clearance going on. But not yet. So I'm hoping this coming week it will be, because I see other stores are starting to mark down the paper crafting section. So I am hopeful this week will be the week. So yeah, I only picked this one up from Hobby Lobby. From Walmart, I picked up some paper. I picked up this packet of cardstock, and it's by that Pen and Gear. You get 60 sheets in here, but I picked it up because see how this is that craft paper, right? And it is 65 pounds, and you get you get 60 sheets in here. So yeah, I like that one. And then I went looking. This one I found in the paper section. It was. And then I went down the crafting aisle, you know, the arts kits and stuff aisle, and I found this one. So I picked this one up too. And then this one is by Color Book. And it is Craft Arsenet. I don't know. Smooth cardstock. You get 50 sheets in this one. And this one is a little, the color difference is a little different from the craft paper. So So I went ahead and picked it up too. Look at that. See how it's like just craft paper, but then it's like darker, kind of like the brown shopping bags you find at the grocery store. That's the color that is. And then here is the craft paper one. Look at that. 2 different shades, right? I like it. And then this package right here, it comes perforated so you can tear it right along here. And you just bend that or fold it just like that, and then you go ahead and tear that off. Or save the time. I just don't need to save anything anyway, so I just pull out the whole thing. And then if you need this tiny piece right here, you can bend it over and do other things with that. You know, you get to use the whole paper, right? So I picked those up. Now, I couldn't tell you how much it was. I have misplaced my receipt. I have no idea where it is. So, these you can find at Walmart. And then while I was down the craft aisle, I decided to take a look at their scrapbooking paper, right? And I like this one. It's the theme is Delilah, and it's 12 by 12 designer sheets, and you get 50 of them. So you get 2 designs of each, or you get 2 of each design. So you get this one here, and then this is just paper, not cardstock. So you get this one. I just like the colors on that. Look at that one. And then there's that one. This is cute. It's like white lace. You can always trim this down too, right? If you need like to use it as a border. Look at this one. Nice. I love that bright yellow color. And then the coral colors. Nice. I really like this one too, the stripes. And then there's that one. Nice. I just love all the papers in here. Really cute. Now there are other designs you can find. They do have several in stock, so take a look. These are really nice. Look at that one. That's pretty too. And then this is a grid one. And look at that. And there. So pretty. And here's another grid paper. And then this one's words. See there? Look at that one. That's pretty. I like that one. And that one is so pretty. I love the whole thing. Every single paper I love. And then I also picked up this one. That one is called Mixed Media. And you also get 50 sheets in there. And you get 2 of each design. See there? Nice, right? I like it. They just framed the paper. They didn't do anything with it. It's so cute. Look at this one. And this one I was thinking, well, you can cut out the cards, right? You don't have to keep it as a full sheet. It'll look really cute. Let's see. And then there's this one. This is like a collage of newsprint. Look at that one. This is kind of like the gel print everyone is doing. Nice, right? Yeah, that's something I don't think I'll be trying. I don't know. I don't know about mixing paint and making it look really pretty. Mine will probably get all mixed up and just end up being one solid color at the end. But look at this. You know, I love how they all do that marble effect with the gel painting. So cute. Look at this one. I like that one. And then there's that one. Look at that. So cute. I mean, the prices on these were really reasonable. That's why I picked them up. I would never spend an outrageous amount of money on paper. Only if it's a very good price. Look at this one. I like this one too. And it is also grid. And this one you get the large grids. Look at that. And then you get like the chalkboard background. That's nice. And then the grain of the wood. You can see all the layers in there. Very nice. Oops. And then a woven burlap, or not burlap, but twine that's been woven. Nice. This is something you would find like in a Tim Holtz paper packs. Nice, right? Look at this one. This is, you know that corrugated cardboards? Slice it open and stack it. That's a good idea, right? That's something I should try. And then there's a script page. And that's that one. But these are really, really cute. I also picked this one up. This is that Koh-i-Noor sketch paper. And it says it's fine texture and it's a 9 by 12. I believe this one was like around $8. And then these scrap paper, these were like around, I want to say like $5, $6, that kind of range. But I mean, it's a really good price. And I really like this paper because it is thin and you feel that. And of course, if you're doing drawing on, you want a smooth texture anyway, so this is really good for drawing on. So I've been experimenting, and this paper, it folds really easily. No resistance whatsoever. I like it. I'm quite happy with this. And another thing about this pad is, look at this. It comes with like an information chart of all the papers that they have and what those papers will do. Isn't that neat? And just info, Michael also carries this product, but you'll find that it is at a higher price. Just letting you know. I also picked up this one from Michael's. I don't have my receipt because I had to do a return and the girl kept my receipt. I had bought some ink because I needed some black ink. And you know, there's a story here. I went to the ink pad section and they didn't have any black inks whatsoever. I don't know. So everybody was thinking the same thing I was. So I saw one ink pad on the whole display that was like dark, and I looked at the name and it said ebony. So I'm like, okay, good. I can work with this. So when I got home, I went to stamp and it was like dark green. I mean, it was like really dark green. So I wasn't quite happy with it, and I really didn't have a use for that ink, so I went to go return it, and yeah, the girl kept my receipt, so I don't have the correct prices for these, but they were quite inexpensive. I want to say this one here, the watercolor pad, was like around $4 or $5, like that. And then the same thing with this one, this translucent paper. It's a tracing paper, but yeah, they're like really good pricing on this. So they are both by Createology. And then the translucent paper you get 40, and it is also 9 by 12. And I picked this one up because it kind of reminded me of like rice paper. See there? It is thicker than vellum and lighter than just a regular paper. But look at that. Isn't that neat? Okay, it may not sound like rice paper, but you know, this is a great alternative, right? I like it. And another thing, you can print on this too if you need to. It's going to work out really well for my projects. And then the other one is this one here. This is a medium weight color pad, and you get 40 sheets also. And this is 90 pounds, and it's also a 9 by 12. And I picked this one up because of the color. This is like a cream color here. Let me grab my paper. See, this is white and then there's the cream, right? I like it. I need some cream paper in my supply box, so I picked this one up. And yeah, this is great for mixed media too. So, you know, it's a win-win situation. I like it. Well, that is my haul for this week. I did pick up some goodies and found some more extra goodies that I wasn't expecting to pick up, you know. I like these paper pads from Walmart. Well, definitely when you go to your store, take a look. They do have some really cute ones. And I kind of like this one because it reminds me like old world style. And then this one is just like spring, you know. It's so cute. Thank you for stopping by to watch my haul. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.